So, think restoring a car is all fun and games? Well, think again. This project might actually kill you. We often don't think of every single outcome, but the gold hidden at the end of the rainbow when it all comes to cars. From dealing with a motor that had its guts blown out, fixing the wiring of a failing BMW fuel system that caught fire, or even removing 60 years worth of rust away from your great-grandpa's car. However, over the peak of the beautiful rainbow, danger follows as you can trip and fall into a sketchy situation. Things like busting your knuckles on the chassis of a car stronger than your bald unc's cranium, or even almost going to a Michael Jackson concert after hearing your jack creak while under 3,000 pounds of It makes you think, is restoring a car all fun and games? Or will this project actually kill you? One of many hidden dangers in cars restoration is definitely toxic exposure. Old and new cars may have lead-based paint and asbestos that might be lingering in the air, causing for you to inhale and cause some adverse effects. This can cause several serious health complications like memory loss, brain development in kids, and loss of cognitive thinking. This is caused by breathing in dust, chemicals, and fumes, paint, rust, fuel vapors, and all of the sorts. Lack of proper ventilation can equal serious health risks that can come for some really wicked and ugly effects. Next up is one of the dumb mistakes that we all have made and came out alive by pure grace alone: physical hazards. One of them being crushing your dreams and your garage floor, or possibly your entire skull, with jack stand failure, which will lead to regret and disaster. Lifting engines and transmissions without proper equipment or improperly against equipment's instructions. And lastly, sketchy homemade lifts or rigs. Do I need to explain this one any further? Fires and explosions can also occur while messing with fuel lines, old gas tanks, and leaking fluids, leading to some really sticky situations. Sparks from grinders or welders plus fuel vapors can cause these fires while you grind away at your project build. And even batteries exploding due to mishandling or the incorrect storage of said batteries. Yes, we all know that wiring any car is worse than pulling an engine without an engine crane, but mishandling wiring or short circuits can lead to turning your car into a smoke machine. Welding burns and UV damage, welder's flash, can also cause eye pain and burning where even a lamp feels like the sun and blurred vision. Lastly, one of the case of the worst injuries, in my opinion, is power tools and equipment injuries. Tools like angle grinders kicking back, giving you an instant trip to the ER, or to CMJ and Whitney Houston dropped an awesome collab album. Finger-eating bench grinders and drills turning you into a lifetime paraplegic, and even compressed air mishaps. Flying debris, tool failures, sending you flying like your favorite anime villain character warming up. These injuries on a serious note can be life-threatening and sometimes just not be all that worth it to make your build a little less uglier. So, folks, let's go ahead and recap what we've definitely learned today the hard way. So it turns out breathing is kind of important. So maybe let's not inhale 50-year-old car dust like Popeye's secret seasoning for their chicken sandwich. And let's make electrical fires not as cool as a special effect in your garage in 2025. Label and insulate your wires, please, or prepare to meet all of the smoke demons. Quick tip, please wear protective gear, use proper tools, have a fire extinguisher nearby, because it can save your build, your life, and others. In conclusion, safety gear exists for a reason. Electricity is not your friend, and if your car starts smoking and it wasn't you probably messed up. Have you ever had a sketchy moment working on your car? Drop your horror stories down in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys later.